Good morning, dragon fruit lover. I installed back all that to cover the dragon from the summer and the heat. And now I'm putting the light. See these lights? Yeah, I installed the light because really it's getting hot now, over 80. And to do it early is better than late. Yeah, now this is April now. We have a lot of growth. I want to protect them from the sunburn. A lot of growth. I install it, and now I want to put the light. We having buds now. The season start. We need to be ready. All these Desert King, Diego, all that new cutting now. And the Palora. Axe. And Haley's Comment. Already the jungle ready for the season. Oh, this is a Connie Meyer buds. Always Connie Meyer start early. Yeah. We need to protect all these new buds. Because really when it's getting hot, when it's getting over 90, we're gonna see already the yellow. The best way to protect the yellow, I know there's a spray and there's a lot of stuff they use, but for me, I love to cover them in the summertime. All these cuttings, they are ready. Big cutting, if anybody interested. You can contact me in my number or text me in my eBay store. I love spend time at night between my dragon. That's why I add the lights all over. Especially weather's nice. And dragon fruit at night better than in the morning when the flowers start. And this is ready now for the new season. I add the light and I add all the mesh on the top to protect from the sunburn. I hope everybody gonna enjoy this season and we have a lot of fruit. We're gonna do videos every month, step by step, and all the varieties. And we are ready to start. Stay tuned. Yeah, this is the 36 inches boxes, if anybody interested. This is the 18 inches boxes. This is the 26 inches boxes, and the 12-inch and the 14. We can ship all size of cutting from 5 inches to 36 inches. If anybody interested in United States, contact me or text me or leave a message. Yeah, I'm adding these lights all over because I love to spend time at night. It's helped me when I do the pollination. All that light. American Beauty. I did this one 2 nights ago. We are ready to the summertime. I need to finish the light. Have a wonderful day.